Someone just knocked on my door and said there's a fire and I gotta get my bikes. Shit, I don't have my key. Catenator? I'm so confused.
Hey, there's a fire, mandatory evacuation, like now.
Where's there a fire?
The other side, they think it's gonna get on all these buildings.
Oh my god. Well, good thing I'm here with you or else you might have freaking burned up. Crap, what do I do? What do I save? Wait, is she even, I don't even believe her. I gotta call Delink. Yo, did you hear about some fire?
No.
Some chick just knocked on my door and there's all these aircraft everywhere and they're saying like I have to evacuate. They think all these buildings I'm in are gonna catch on fire. And there's like airplanes going crazy out there now.
No way, really?
Yeah, what should I do?
I'm fucking coming over.
Dude.
I'm just like kind of close to your house. I'll come over there.
I don't even know if I believe her.
I'll go look. Oh, I see a helicopter coming your way. I got my truck. I don't have a ramp, but we'll figure it out.
I don't even believe her. But I do. I wanna go look at it, but I don't wanna leave my dog in here alone.
I'm looking at a helicopter. It looks like it's circling over your house.
All right, bye.
All right, I'll be there.
All right, I see a helicopter right there. And then there's another one right over there. But I mean, come on, dude, how is it gonna hit all these houses? There's no way. Oh, dude, look. Johnny! Dude, there's a lot of them. Oh my, this is like serious. I don't know what to do. I really don't want to take the catenator out of here. This might be the last time I see a catenator, possibly. I doubt it though.
I guess.
Oh, what's up?
I have no idea what's happening. I haven't even seen the smoke. Do you want to grab anything?
No.
This is where we need it to go.
I know. What do we do?
Let's go buy one. Charge it real quick, wash it.
The fire's over there? All right, here's the scene of the crime. We got 60,000 cops. We got the fire boy, and I still see no smoke. Wow, there it is. What a monstrous fire, dude. I almost died. Can you believe it? Oh my God. How do you think that even started? Cigarettes. Well, the lady came to my house and she was really freaking me out. So I got all my personal belongings, I got the bales, and we came to check it out. And well, that's it. It's over. So yesterday I hooked up all these wires in my garage, like to the motor, and I was thinking it was that because some chick came knocking on my door. She's like, "Are you the one with all the motorcycles? You might want to get them the f out."
All right, call you later.
All right, see ya. Thanks.
Is that what's going on? Do you think it's out now?
Yeah, it's out now. I just went and looked.
Gotcha, gotcha.
I have no idea what I just made, but I love it. I found this at my door this morning. Nice. I think we all know where this belongs. Anyways, what do you think? This is the same camera I had before. I was just having a lot of problems with it focusing, so I sent it in because it was still under warranty. Jeez, come on, seatbelt. This is the G7X Mark Deuce. It's gonna be a little bit more shaky than the camera I was just using, my big DSLR, but it's so much more convenient. Like if my belly button was just a little bit bigger, I could probably fit this camera inside of it. I got some stuff I want to do today, so I need some cash back. I know I could easily just go to an ATM and get money out, but why pay the fee when I can instead get a delicious drink? It's so ridiculous trying to go in there and vlog, like everybody in the aisle stares at you. Which is fine, I get it. I'd probably look too, but it's just like, oh my God, I want to scream this right now. I know everyone's gonna freaking look at me. They're gonna think I'm doing something crazy. And you know, maybe I am. I'm back at my favorite barber, Twin Peaks 2. I used to go here all the time. What is it now? It is 11 bucks for a haircut. But before I can go in, I gotta try my drink. I went with kiwi strawberry today, and they got like awareness to my breasts on the lid, which, whoa, which is pretty cool. And I've never had this before, so. Oh, it's carbonated. I wasn't, well, I should have known because it exploded, but I still wasn't expecting it to be carbonated. Oh my God, that's exactly what I didn't want to. I knew if I sat here for like 5 seconds to take a sip, somebody was gonna walk in before me. All right, I gotta get in there before someone else walks in. It's currently 3:56 p.m. Usually it takes a while, so we'll see what time it is when I get out. And here's what I got for 13 bucks. I gave him a $4 tip. This is my haircut. I like it. I'm pretty happy with it. It's currently 4:30, so I was in there for a little while, but it wasn't too long. I thought it was funny though, that one guy beat me in and I was all bummed about it, and then 5 people came in within like 2 minutes after I got there. Dude, they're still sitting outside. Check it out, it's my favorite view in the entire world. When I was in Rhode Island, I missed that view so much. So since I wanted to take care of myself today and get a haircut, we gotta next take care of my love, the love of my life, the Papa beautiful Prius. So we're going to the car wash, they're gonna detail her. I don't know if you can tell, but currently the Prius is a huge mess, both inside and out. So we'll see how they do. I like getting my washes here because they scrub the car off, then you end up in here. I'm pretty sure if you have a really nice, really fast, really expensive, really beautiful car like I do, you're not supposed to go through these because they like scratch up your car. But here I am, and I'm having fun. When I was a kid, I used to be terrified of going through these things. Like I would literally cry. Crap, I'm gonna get like sprayed. I'm curious to see how they did because I feel like they didn't really scrub the sides as hard as I wanted them to. There was a lot of crap on the sides of the car from driving across the country. I'm not really sure what to do here, so, oh, he's pulling up. I think I'm gonna pull up. Screw it, I'm just gonna get out and see what happens. I feel like I'm on Housewives of Orange County just sitting here waiting for my car to get cleaned. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Yeah, you three. First impression, I'm in here. That looks pretty clean. That looks fairly clean. It looks okay. Whoa, I had a shoe back here. What was this shoe doing back here? The carpets are all kind of messed up. Like I've had them for so long, I need to replace them. But this dashboard area, it looks good. That cost me $17.99 plus I gave him a $4 tip. So it's been somewhat of an expensive day pampering myself and my car. So today's Delink's anniversary and he's really weird about his cat. He wants me to come over and babysit his cat. Yesterday when you went to the Korean barbecue, did you come out to your truck and see what I did?
I knew it was you.
How come you never called me about it?
We saw you.
I was waiting for the video. No, you didn't.
Yeah, we saw you.
You saw me?
Yeah, we were sitting at the table. And
You're lying, dude.
Rainey goes, who's that messing with your windshield wiper?
How come you didn't say anything?
I'm just kidding. We didn't know it was you.
Oh, did you see the video?
Yeah, I did.
I was waiting for you to call.
I wanted to, but I knew that you wanted that satisfaction. So then we went outside, that stuff was there, and I was like, well, Caleb knew where we were at, but why would he do this and not be hiding in the corner filming?
Oh yeah, dude, why didn't I stay there? I don't know.
So we were like looking around the parking lot for you.
Oh, good, so I trolled you even more.
Yeah, and I was like, should I text Caleb? I was like, I'm not giving him that satisfaction. And then the next day it's in a video.
Delink's out drinking right now, so we're gonna find him the perfect drinking buddy. Hi, Mr. Snuggles, how are you doing? You look really cute and really comfortable. Unfortunately, all right, kitty, if you could just cooperate for about 5 seconds. Whoa. Oh yes, the best kitty. We're halfway done. We just gotta get your legs through now. Oh my God, how am I gonna get your legs through? You see this, kitty? This is gonna be your best friend. We're gonna use this to hook the shirt around. It's gonna be really easy, no big deal. Don't even worry about it. Just don't even worry. It's gonna be okay. Whoa, 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 jeez. Kitty, come on, come on. Whoa, oh my God. You are no. So I gave up and the cat was just laying around and it got up and it put its own leg through. I didn't do that. It did it by itself. Nice kitty. That's right. Now when your daddy comes home, he's gonna have a nice, good old drinking buddy. Here you go, drinking buddy. Your buddy Delink's almost. Oh, I'm sorry. Hey, don't worry. There's no laws when you're drinking claws. No. Oh my God. All right, screw it. I decided to take it off. Dude, she's gonna bite you. What are you doing? Are you kidding me?
You gotta hold her head. Hold her
No,
head.
Dude, she's gonna bite me.
Hold her head.
What do you mean, dude? You're drunk.
Yeah, hold her.
Oh my God. Why do I have to hold her?
You gotta hold her.
Oh, dude, I can't.
what are you doing?
Dude, what do you mean?
You gotta hold her. Hold her like this. Okay?
Oh my God. All right, give me it.
Don't let her bite me.
Dude, what do you mean? Stop, I don't have a good grip. Oh my God, dude, I didn't have a good grip. Why'd you start?
I'm committed now.
Yeah, right.
You're just gonna have to do it.
No, dude, your cat's not gonna like you anymore.
She'll like me. We've got a good relationship.
Well, that's your anniversary present, so maybe one day you'll get it on her. There's no way you're gonna get that on.
You're freaking her out.
How is it my fault?
Isn't that bullshit? The cat would rip my head off. Like.
Kitty.
You got it. She got it on. It's your drinking buddy. All right, there you go. Cheers, cat.
You should see her try to clip the cat's nails, dude. No problem. The second I touch that
Someone's gotta
cat.
get shit done. Is
The
your
second I
shirt
took-
on inside out?
Oh, dude, the whole night? The whole night.
Oh, come on! No wonder your buttons didn't work right.
I love that I did that. All night long.
You're such a turd.
Why didn't you tell me?
I didn't realize it until right now where I saw the
So
tag.
this tag was hanging out all night long?
Like Oakley, though.
That's so awesome.
Oh my God. You got the biggest head I've ever seen. I can't even explain it. You guys, this is like a triple, quadruple, double Godzilla XL size head. And it's just, it's so cute. I just want to. All right, pals. So it is currently 10:19 p.m. the day after this video was released. Yesterday's video, I said I was going to be giving away a infinite fist bump key tag. So I'm going to take the link. I'm going to go to randomcommentpicker.com. We're going to paste the link in right here. We're gonna do the searcharoo. Okay, I guess I was on the Facebook section, so now we're on the YouTube section. All right, here we go. Get comments. So we have 361 commenters on the video, and here we go. We're gonna pick the random person right Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? And it is Atomic Squirrel X, who said November 16th, 2069. Haha, yep, this is why I keep coming back. Well, I'm glad you enjoyed, buddy. You just won the puppy key tag. I'm so proud of you. We're gonna click on this. This is gonna take us to your profile. Let's check on your about section. Let's see what we got. You joined May 23rd, 2012. That's my freaking birthday, dude. This is like, yeah, dude, I've heard that before. Every day is your birthday. Every day is the year you were born. Everything is your face. Anyways, congratulations, Atomic Papa. As far as the giving away a Bale shirt, it was if we got 5,000 likes. Currently, we have 1.6K likes. So, in like a year from now, when we hit 5,000, we're gonna be giving away a Bale shirt. Did you miss me? I missed you. I had another friend who was a kitty. I know if you saw the kitty, you probably would have tried to get it. Now give me that back. Give me that back. No, you better give me that back right this instant. Well, first, I gotta thank you guys so much for watching. And the Bales and I will see you on the puppy next one, which is gonna be tomorrow. Give me that back right now.